Are you struggling to choose between the warmth of in-home daycare and the structure of centre-based care for your child? It's a decision that can shape your family's daily life and your child's early experiences. Choosing the right childcare option for your family can feel overwhelming. Today we're comparing two popular choices: in-home daycare and centre-based care. Understanding the key differences will help you make an informed decision that best suits your family's needs. In-home daycare typically takes place in a caregiver's home, offering a more intimate setting for children. This option often feels like a home away from home, with a smaller group of children and a family-like atmosphere. On the other hand, centre-based care occurs in a dedicated facility, usually with more staff, children, and structured activities. Let's explore the factors to consider for both options. For in-home daycare, the environment is often more relaxed and homey, which can be comforting for young children. The caregiver-to-child ratio is usually lower, allowing for more individual attention. This setting may offer more flexibility in terms of hours and can be more accommodating to parents with non-traditional work schedules. In-home daycares might also be more affordable than centre-based options. However, they may have limited resources compared to larger centres. The lack of multiple staff members means care could be disrupted if the provider falls ill. Additionally, there might be less structure and fewer organised activities compared to centre-based care. Now let's look at centre-based care. These facilities often have more resources, including educational materials, toys, and outdoor play equipment. They typically follow a structured curriculum, which can be beneficial for children's learning and development. Centres usually have multiple staff members, ensuring consistent care even if one caregiver is absent. They're also subject to stricter regulations and oversight, which can provide peace of mind for some parents. On the flip side, centre-based care often has higher child-to-caregiver ratios, meaning less individual attention for each child. The environment may feel more institutional and less home-like. Centres generally have less flexible hours and may be more expensive than in-home options. When making your decision, consider your family's specific needs. Think about your work schedule, budget, and your child's personality. Some children thrive in bustling environments with lots of peers, while others do better in quieter, more intimate settings. Consider your child's age as well. Younger infants might benefit from the closer attention of in-home care, while preschoolers might enjoy the structured activities of a centre. Location is another crucial factor. An in-home daycare in your neighbourhood might be more convenient than a centre further away. Also, think about your long-term childcare needs. If you plan to have more children, a centre with multiple age groups might be more practical. Ultimately, the best childcare choice depends on your unique circumstances. Both in-home daycare and centre-based care can provide loving, nurturing environments for children. Take the time to visit different options, ask questions, and trust your instincts. Remember, the right choice is the one that feels best for your child and your family. In-home daycare versus centre-based care, making the right choice. Let's recap the key points we've covered about in-home daycare and centre-based care. In-home daycare offers a more intimate, home-like setting with lower child-to-caregiver ratios and potentially more flexibility. However, it may have limited resources and less structure. Centre-based care provides more resources, structured activities, and consistent staffing, but may have higher ratios and less flexibility. Your choice should depend on your family's specific needs, including work schedule, budget, and your child's personality. Thank you for watching our comparison of in-home daycare and centre-based care. We hope this information helps you make the best choice for your family's childcare needs.